you've got a big enough capacity, you should be able to drink all of this without burping once.
And I can't burp.
No, you cannot burp.
A lot of soda. You need to show me the whole bottle.
Okay, we'll see.